sorting and searching. Okay. What is sorting? What is searching? We discuss. Yeah, guys. Before going to discuss about this, we need to understand, different types of sorting technique and searching technique. Example sortings. What are the different sorting technologies? Selection sort and insertion sort, right? And bubble sort, merge sort, heap sort, and quick sort. Okay, we have different types of sorting algorithms. Okay, what is this concept of this sorting algorithm? Arranging the elements in sorted order, right? And same way, two types of techniques are there to search the element. One is linear search, and other one is bubbles. Sorry, binary search. Linear and binary search. Okay, today we are going to discuss about these topics. First of all, before going to discuss about this, first of all, you should know. First of all, you should know time complexity of the program. Time complexity you need to understand. Okay, time complex. Okay, writing program is not important. Okay, how much time it takes to execute the code. Okay, the execution. Okay, how that code executes perfectness is required. Okay, how many times it execute that code. Okay, how many fraction of second it gives the output. That is important, right? Example, guys, see, uh, I will write a code. Why it is important? Time complexity is important. I will execute. What is time complexity first of all? Okay, two persons are there, A and B. Example, A is one person and B is another person is there. Okay, we have given a code to write execute the program, right? We have given a program. Example, we have given a program. Each program we have given prime number code we have given. Okay, how he has written the code. A has written the code like this. Example, we checking from, what is prime number? Number of factors you can calculate. Number of factors. Okay, 1 to n. Now he is calculating. Okay, he is taking from 2 to n. Assume if he is taking from 2 to n, I less than n. Okay, is not including n. Okay, if we take include also. Example, we are taking from 1 to n. Assume if he is taking from 1 to n. What is prime number logic? Factors. Find out the factors. Okay, how to find out the factors? If n percentile I, if n percentile I equals to 0, then number of factors will be incremented. Okay, this is the code he has written. Okay, he checking 1 to n, he checking the code 1 to n. Okay, this is the code he has written, and B also he has written the code for the prime number. Okay, how he has written the code? Example, okay, is 1 or 2, whatever it is. If you take 1 or 2 or whatever it is. Okay, he is also taking from 1. Okay, I less than or equals to, he has writing I less than or equals to, or I less than. Okay, take I less than, here also take I less than, whatever the code. Okay, whatever the number you are taking, less than n or is, if he is taking from 2. Okay, he is also taking from 2, assume. Okay, he is taking from 2. Okay, I less than or equals to root n, he has written root. Okay, root, what is root? Okay, square root of n he is taking, square root of n. Not, he is not taking n, he is not taking n, he is taking square root of n and I plus plus. Okay, we'll consider code. Example, we'll take one number for inputs, how much time this code will execute. Okay, we'll check it, guys. Okay, see example, assume how many times this code will execute. Okay, how many times. Logic is same for these two conditions. That's why I will remove this code, guys. Or whatever the internal code we are writing, that is whether it is a factor or not, that code I removed. Okay, we will check for this code. Okay, if I take example, guys, if you take for input, guys, all of you concentrate. What is time complexity important? What is the time complexity important? If I take a 5, guys, if I take a 5, okay, how many times this code will execute? Okay, for this, see this code, how many times this code will execute? Example, see, guys, how many times this will execute? One time. For one, see, this is one task, right? This is one task, this is one task. How many times this code will execute, guys? We'll consider that, guys. Okay, how many times this code will execute? I equals to 2. If you take I equals to 2, 1 unit, assume, guys, 1 unit plus, this is the one unit. How many times this I less than will n will execute? If n is 5, guys, if n is 5, how many times this loop will execute? Okay, if it is 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3 times means n minus 2, right? Are you following? If n is 2, n minus 2 plus, how many times this will execute? One time extra will execute, right? It is 2, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 also it checks. 2, 3, guys, 3, I plus plus 3, 4, 5, 5, 3 times will execute, right? 3 times. This is, I think, n minus, yeah, 3 times. This is also n minus 2. N minus 2. Total, how many times this will execute? 2n, right? Plus plus 2n. What is time complexity? 2n times plus minus 2 minus, okay, 2n minus 3 times if this code will execute. Assume it is it executes 2n minus 3. Example, if I take n is 5, okay, n is 5 at this, how many times this loop will execute? If we take 2, n is 5 we have taken, n is 5 we have taken, guys. If we take a 5, n of 5 means 4, right? N is 5, 5 means 4. 4 less than means only one time this code will execute. Example, if I take 25, guys, assume if we take a 25, we take a large number, guys. If I take large number 25, how many times this code will execute? Okay, if I take 25, 2, one time this code will execute, one time plus I less than n, guys. I less than n means 23 times will execute. 23 times means, are you following? 23 times, this is 23 plus this is also 23 times will execute. How many times will execute? 23 plus 23 plus 4, 46, 47 times. 47 for each operation 1 second. If you take 47 seconds it takes. Are you following, guys? For each operation, first one time it takes. After I less than n, one time again. Okay, it comes inside again. I plus plus one time. Again 23 times it execute. Total 47 seconds. Assume if I take 25 here, how many times this code will execute? This is one, guys. One. I less than square root of n. If I take square root of n, that is how much? 5, guys. Are you following? 25 if I take 5 it is. Okay, now it takes 2, 3 it checks, 3, 4, 2 times it checks, guys. 2 times. 2 plus I plus plus. I plus plus also how many times will execute? 2, right? 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, 2 times will execute. Right? Yeah, 2 times. Now total how much? 5. Guys, example, this is what, if I take this, uh, nearly it is, if I take a 25, if I take 25, nearly 2n times it executing. Are you following? 2n times 50, nearly 50 times, 2n times. Guys, if I take n is 5, n is 25 you have taken, this is square root of n. Are you following? How many times this code will execute? Square root of n times square root of n seconds it is taking. This is 2n seconds it is taking. Example, if I take 2n 25, guys, if I take 25, how many seconds it takes? Now tell me, guys. 2n seconds means, if I take a 20 25, if I take 25, guys, are you following? N is a 25. How much time it takes? 2 into 25, 50 seconds for this code. Okay, for input this 50 seconds it takes, guys. All of you concentrate. Okay, here if I take 25, Are you following? This is a 25. Input is 25, right? This is input is 25. How many seconds it is taking? How many seconds? This code will execute 50 seconds code. 50 second. Okay. How much time? Square root of n means 25. If I take 5 times, this code will execute. 5 seconds it takes. Are you following? 5 seconds. Okay, guys. Example, if I take 100, 2 into n. How much? 2 into n? 200 seconds it takes. Why is time complexity is important in the programming, right? This is 200 seconds it takes, guys. 200 seconds. Now, if I take this 10 seconds code, this code will execute 10 seconds, guys. Are you following what I'm saying? Same code. This is also prime number code. This is also prime number code. What is the different? How much time it is taking? Okay, example, if I take 1000, guys, 1000. Now, how much time it takes? 2n. 2n means 2000 seconds it takes. 2000 seconds. Okay, no? 2000 seconds means we will calculate how many hours also. Okay, example, if I take this square root of n means how many seconds, guys? Hmm? 10 cube of 1000 seconds. 1000 square root of 1000. 30, yeah? 30 square 30 is what? 900. Okay, nearly 31 seconds. 31 or 32. Assume that is 32 seconds it takes. Are you following? Okay, guys, if I take 10,000, if I take 10,000, guys, 10,000, if I take how many 20,000 seconds it takes, guys. Are you following? This code will execute 20,000 seconds. Same code will execute 100 seconds. Are you following? If I take 1 lakh or 10 lakhs, if I take input as 10 lakhs, guys. Okay. Now this code will execute 20 lakh seconds. We need to wait 20 lakh seconds. Okay. This code has to us, I think, 100 seconds. Yes or no? Is it 100? This is 100. This is 10,000. 10,000 means 100 seconds, right? 100 square is okay. If I take 10 lakh, this is what? Nearly it is 300 seconds, 320 seconds or something. It takes 300, nearly uh, 9 lakhs. 300 into 3, 9 lakhs. Okay, consider, guys, if I take in hours, are you following? 2 lakh seconds means 2 lakh seconds means how many minutes we check? 2 lakh seconds. This is 20,000. 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs seconds. This is 20 lakhs, right? 10. This is 10 lakh. Here 20 lakhs. Okay, if I take 20 lakhs, guys, if I take 20 lakhs, this is 20 lakh second. 20 lakh seconds convert into hours, guys. Okay, minutes we will convert. 20 lakhs by 60. Example, if I take 10 lakh input, if I take input as a 10 lakh, how much time it takes? 20 lakh by 16, guys, right? 200, 2000, 20,000, right? 2 lakhs, 20 lakhs by 60. Now I'm doing 60. Okay, if I do 60, this is how many hours, how many minutes? This many minutes. I want hours. If you want hours, by 60. Do this. How many hours it takes, guys? 555 hours. 555 hours. Okay, if I do 555 hours, if I convert into days, by how many? 24 hours, right? 24 hours. And 23 days it takes to execute this code. Assume if I take a 1 unit, it won't take a 1 second for each operation. 23 days it takes. Nearly 23 days. Estimation, not exact 23 days, right? Okay. Same code. If I take 320 seconds, guys, same code, 320 by how to do? 320 by uh, 320, I want to convert into hours. I want to convert into hours. 320 by 60, right? This is minutes. 5 minutes it takes. Okay, guys. Are you following, guys? I have written this is also code. This is also code. If I enter the 10 lakh on number, this code will execute how many days to after entering input. If I enter the 10 lakh, how much time you need to wait for that to get the result? 23 days you have to enter. You have to wait. Are you following? If I enter the number, after entering a number, 23 days it takes to calculate that operation. Okay, this code, guys, if I take it this code, if I enter the 10 lakh, same number, if I enter, how many minutes it takes? 5 minutes. Are you understanding the important of time complexity? Important of time complexity, right? Writing program is not important. Writing program is not important. How efficiently, okay? How efficiently that code will work, that is important. Okay. You here also I have written the code. I did not change any units, right? For one unit, for one operation, 1 unit I have taken. 1 unit means 1 second I have taken. This is for 1 second. This is for 1 second. One operation. For same way here also I have taken. Here I less than n I have written. I less than square root of n I have written. That is different. Here this code will execute 23 days. This code will execute 5 minutes. You understood, right, guys? Okay, which code? Okay, how efficient you are writing a code is that is important. Time complexities are very important in the program writing or in the programming, right? Yeah, you understood, right? What is time complexity? Okay, execution time, how much time it takes to execute the code. Okay. Okay, how to represent time complexity? We can represent in different formats. Okay, we have what are the time complexity? How to represent, guys? How to represent time complexity? Yeah, Niharika.
Sir,
How to represent time complexity? You understood, right, this process, or how it is important, time complexity?
sir.
Yeah. Sai Nikita, how to represent time complexity?
Big O, sir.
Big O, very good. Okay, we write big O to use to represent. Big O we use, and any other? Hmm? Only big O?
Omega and theta also, sir.
Yeah, omegas we use. I think there is no this symbol here. Omega we use. Okay, omega. Big omega is there. Small omega we use. Okay, and theta also is there. Theta symbol also not available in the keyboard. I think, right? There is no those theta also. We use these symbols. We use these symbols to represent. Okay, average case, best case. Okay, we use average cases, best cases. Using average case, best cases. Okay, we represent. Okay, see, I will show you how to represent the time complexity. I will show you guys how to represent. Okay, what is what are the different ways to execute time display? I will show you. Okay, first I will show you what is big O. What is big O? We represent